Hillsy in the building. Sit down, relax, baby, let me take you on a ride. Sit down, relax, baby, let me take you on a ride. Welcome to my roller coaster.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time watching me, my name is Sammy, or Sammy if you would like. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey, thank you so much for coming back. So guys, as you can see from the title of this video, your girl did a big girl thing end of last year, you guys, and I finally moved into my dream apartment. So you guys, I tried to document this whole process from house hunting, but I'll be very honest, it was not the easiest process. House hunting in Harare is the ghetto!
Ah, the ghetto! The ghetto!
The ghetto, you guys. I cannot begin to tell you how much I hated that process, okay? So I think in this video I'm just gonna take you guys just through my experience. So obviously I live here now. I have a lease for this house. I know when I posted this on Instagram, so many of you guys actually DM'd me asking me about the process of buying a property. Unfortunately guys, I have not bought a property yet. I did not buy this property, I just have a lease for it. And so I'm gonna share my experience of how I managed to get this place and moving in and just, you know, all those details. So if that's something you want to watch, then keep on watching. If it's your first time on this channel, do make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the little bell right next so that you get a notification every time I post. And without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. Anyway, quick disclaimer, you guys, and I feel like I should say this at the beginning of this video because it is so important, you guys. If you have the luxury of staying at home for as long as you can, please do, you guys, because paying rent in this country, in this economy, the ghetto.
Ah, the ghetto! The ghetto!
The absolute ghetto, you guys, I would not recommend, okay? And I will tell you, obviously my circumstances were different. And I'm happy I'm in this position because I obviously have a place that I really love and a place that feels very comfortable for me. But my circumstance is different. You know, my family does not actually live, like my parents' home is not in Harare. I did not grow up in Harare, you guys. Literally grew up outside of Harare. I went to boarding school all my life. And so when I moved back home 2-3 years ago, I was staying with family. This was my first time actually living in Harare. And I was staying with family, like back and forth from my sister to my aunt, to my uncle, you know, so I had to get a place of my own. But I will say this, if you have the luxury, I repeat guys, if you have the luxury of staying at home, please do. It will allow you to save so much money. It will allow you more financial freedom while you save up to actually buy a home. So when I actually began the house hunting process, I was looking for the rent to own option. If you guys are familiar with rent to own, it's pretty much like you're renting a place. So you obviously sign an agreement where it's pretty much like a mortgage, but you're actually staying there. And then after like a certain period of time that you agree on, so you're making like monthly installments, like payments up until a certain point, and then at the end of that agreed period, you pretty much own the place and, you know, the title deeds are yours. And so that's exactly what I was looking for. But unfortunately, it doesn't seem to be a common thing here in Zimbabwe or in Harare. I did check with my bank because apparently some banks do offer that option. However, at the moment, they didn't have any available schemes, which was quite unfortunate because I was also looking to stay in a particular area, obviously close to work and pretty much neighborhoods that, you know, I felt where I wanted to stay. So because I did not get that, I was forced to, you know, look for a lease. And I will tell you guys, please do not, oh my gosh, Okay, maybe I shouldn't say do not, because I think it pretty much works for a lot of people. But I did use those WhatsApp agents, and I'm a gumbezi, if you know, you know. Yo, guys, that man. I don't want to speak bad on anyone. But yeah, I did try all those WhatsApp agents. You know, the ones who make you pay $20 for every viewing? I will literally crash out, you guys. But yeah, I did all of that, and I did see a couple of houses. I tried to record the house hunting process, but I feel like it was also such a very stressful period for me. Want to run for the right time, 'cause I noticed we came to a pavement that crumbles. It's just a merry-go-round. I don't think it's you, might be me. Here. There's just so many things going on. But when I'm with you, it feels so new. 'Cause I'm honestly right, I'm all alone falling. I've been off and on with you. Tell me why it's so hard to choose. Going in circles, running round. 'Cause I'm looking for Neverland, backtracking on memory lanes, hoping it's not just a wonder. I can't be watching, waiting for changes. Want to run for the right time, 'cause I noticed we came to a pavement that crumbles. It's just a merry-go-round. I don't think it's you, might be me. What is this living room? This one is smaller. And smaller. The color in the kitchen. Ah, no. The other one wins. Yeah, the other one. But it was wrong price. Imagine doing my living. Okay, so this is the living room. Then we have kitchen, panapa. We need to add stove, machine. The bedrooms are very tiny though. Very, very tiny bedrooms, especially for the price. Because I'm setting my built-in cupboards. And the pavacha maisa, I'm sure I'm going to space here like one tile from wall to wall. And then 2 bedrooms. Yeah. The bathroom is here. Yeah, so that's the little... I actually moved out of home sometime mid-2024, and I did stay at another place, but it was not very comfortable for me. It was not the kind of place that I wanted to stay at. And this is when I was dealing with those other agents. But anyway, I ended up going to Property Shop, and that's the real estate agency that ended up helping me. 'Cause I noticed we came to a pavement that crumbles. It's just a merry-go-round. I don't think it's you. And we did view quite a few of the available properties until we landed at this one.
Inside that's a bigger bit is being gardens, so that's your private garden. There is irrigation, and the caretaker is included in the levies.
Okay.
The levies cover the city of Harare, the caretaker, the 24-hour security, and also there's a borehole, and if there's any issues, we'll buy. Be happy to hear that.
Yes. Certainly.
So that's the bigger of the 2 rooms. It's the main. So you're going straight to the other one. The cupboard space is the same, so there's no fighting there. But this bathroom is big, it's not a bathtub.
Okay. And a shower.
Yes, the other bathroom has the same shower, just hooked up.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a small balcony on this one too. The other one's got a window.
Okay. Yes, it does. Okay.
When she's not going, you can use the car.
Yeah, it is nice. It's actually very cute.
It's beautifully done. It's high-end. It was done by a South African architect, and they bought everything in South Africa. It's very, very high-end. The duplexes are flying downstairs, which are three bed, two bath, and they've got a garden and they're beautiful duplexes. Just that much more spacious. I won't show it to you. I won't show it to you if you want it. Yeah, no, I love this. You know, it is what it. Oh, and also, you see right opposite you, there and there, those are communal escape areas where you can have mates, so you can rent them out, and you want to find a high up there, and you can have a right up there, so you've got a bit more outdoor space.
If you are house hunting, I would actually encourage you to deal with registered real estate agencies. Trust me, the process is much better. It's much smoother. You do not waste money. I feel like I wasted so much money with those unregistered WhatsApp agents, you guys. I cannot tell you how many $20 I paid to view ugly houses. I literally, guys. But yeah, dealt with Property Shop, realtor Angie. She was so amazing. Came to view this property, and honestly, the moment I walked in, fell in love instantly. I think I forgot to mention that I was house hunting in a very specific area, so north of Harare, around Borrowdale, Mount Pleasant, Vinona, Greyston Park. Yeah, that was the area I was looking at. Very specific, and so that's why it was kind of a harder process for me, but at least I landed the exact property I was looking for in the exact place that I wanted, like the most ideal place for me. Instantly fell in love and managed to get a good deal, signed the lease, and yeah, the big girl shit started. And a double.
Double.
Yes.
Big array, double. This one.
Which one's a double?
This is the double. This is the size. But we have all in double. Even this one we have.
Yes, the price is crazy. Moving in, oh my gosh, moving in. Obviously, because I lived outside of Zim, where I had my own place, I had my own space. Even when I lived in Italy, had my own space. And normally, I know in China, when you move into a place, it's fully furnished options in Harare. Whew, guys, you need to have your money on point. You need to have your bag. And unfortunately, it was not something that I could afford. And I figured I might as well just move into an empty space and just start buying my stuff slowly. And yeah, that's what I did. Literally started furnishing this place from scratch, you guys. From getting the bed to the fridge, washing machine, all the appliances, literally from scratch, you guys. Putting this together, it has not been easy. I don't know if I want to give you guys a full house tour because I feel like, you know, my house is it's a sanctuary, you know. Maybe you'll see it in vlogs here and there, but yeah, that's pretty much been the process. And it's something special for me. Obviously, I know for a lot of people it's probably not anything special. Everybody's renting somewhere, but for me it was such a milestone. It was such a milestone because for someone who lived outside of the country, moved back home, I've been living with family all along, and just having my own space that is sacred, that is comfortable for me, it's a win for me. Might not be a win for you, and I get it, but it's a win for me, and I'm very proud and grateful for everything that God is doing in my life, and just to have all of this. And I thought I would share that. All the wins, big or small. And so yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them in the comments below. I will try and respond to all of them. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one.